June 10th, 2025.
First item is award of contract for operation of tennis courts at Glorietta and authorize the city manager to execute the contract. 2, approving the CSP director's recommendation to award a 5-year contract for operation of the tennis courts at Glorietta Park to Hard 8 Incorporated and reject all other proposals to operate as being less competitive.
The RFP was issued to seek qualified operators for Glorietta tennis operations. RFP had a minimum requirement of 3 years experience operating a public tennis concessionaire. We received 17 proposals with 11 unique proposers, and 5 met the minimum qualifications, and we had 2 rounds of interviews. The external panel consisted of 3 outside municipal employees, the Assistant Director of Parks, Recreation, and Community Services for City of Burbank, the Deputy Director of City of Calabasas, Community Service and Parks, and a Recreation Superintendent for the City of Pasadena. All 3 of them had extensive experience in managing tennis concession. The internal panel consisted of city employees, our Assistant Director of Community Service and Parks, our Community Services Manager, and our Director of Library, Arts and Culture. City staff conducted a benchmark study on smaller cities such as Burbank, Pasadena, Anaheim, Huntington Beach, Riverside, and we put in the proposals, the RFPs, the evaluation criteria. There was 5 criteria, and the maximum points that a proposer would get was 85. The first one was experience and qualifications. Both interview panels looked at previous operation and implementation of tennis, such as tournaments, classes, day camps, tennis schools, experience operating a concession, training experience, and different awards, and evidence of performance. The second criteria, a range of services, how many hours a week that would be open for the public, tennis instructions, private lessons, public lessons, group lessons, tennis reservations. The third item is daily operational plan, is day of hours of operation, leadership at site, support and capability of experience. And the most important on our end, the most important is contingency plan for inclement weather. Tennis facilities are outdoor, and we sometimes have inclement weather. Will they still be able to pay if it rains, or will they request for a fee waiver? Proposed payment to the city, fees to the public for their use, base fee to the city, and percentage of profit to the city, and advertising and marketing, social media, newspapers, flyers. How will they attract new customers, retain existing customers? What new or innovative programs would they bring to the concession? So those are the 5 evaluation criteria that staff and the internal panel looked at. Glorietta scores, we had Hard 8 as 1, LA Tennis as 2, Vegan 3 for